In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use action buttons in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form you want to work with, check the box next to it, then click Submissions to open the Submissions table. In the top right corner of the Submissions page, click plus Add, then select Buttons. Choose Send Email and click Next. Enter a name for your action button, such as Send Confirmation. Then click Next. Click Edit to configure the email. Enter your preferred email subject, then open the Recipients tab and add the recipient email address or choose the email field from your form. After you've finished configuring the email, click Save to create the action button. Your new action button will now appear in the Submissions table, allowing you to send emails directly from individual submissions with a single click. That's how to use action buttons in Jotform. Thanks for watching.